Okay, these are my feet, and this is a tile floor. My feet are really flat, so listen what happens when I walk. Here, whoops, put it that way. Do you hear that sound? That's the sound of my foot suctioning to the floor. Only my left foot, not my right foot, just my left foot. And we'll pan onto our beautiful swan that they did for us with her happy little face and a beautiful flower. And she put little Celine down in front of the swan. Isn't that cute? We thought that was the cutest thing ever. Isn't that adorable? Yeah, so there you go, flat feet, swans, and little sheep. We're having a great time, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yeah, we sure are. And there you go.